Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to hide amount in Excel. So here I show you two different way to hide the amount in Excel. So let's start the first one. Simply select the column those you want to hide. So here I select the unit price and select here the entire column. After that press the shortcut key Ctrl 1 and here you can see the format cell dialog box is open. In number tab, click on the custom option and in type, just enter here. Just remove this and just enter the 3 times semicolon. Okay, 3 times semicolon. Then click on OK. And that's it. Here you can see your amount is hide. And the second way is simply select the column. So I am going to hide this total price column and go to the home tab. In styles group, click on the conditional formatting and click on the icon set. So here I'm going to hide the amount with the icon sets. So click on the icon sets, then click on the more rules. And here one dialog box is open, new formatting rules. Then select the first option and here you can change the icon style also. So I click on this arrow, you can select here the different types of icon also. So I select this one. Okay. You can see the icon style is changed. Okay. After that, click on this box, show icon only. Just click on this and click on OK. And that's it. Here you can see your amount is hide. Okay. If you want to set the rule, the particular amount required this colored icon and if greater than 500 this icon is required to highlight here, so you can set the rule also with the conditional formatting. Okay, so here I show you only the height, the amount with the icon sets. Okay, and if you want to unhide this, simply select the first unit price column and again press the Ctrl 1. Okay, here the same dialog box is open, format cell. Then in custom, the remove these 3 semicolons. So just use the backspace and remove it and then click on OK. And that's it. You can see the unhide amount. And the second type, so simply select the total price column. Again, go to the same option, home tab. Okay, in styles group, click on the conditional formatting. Okay, and here just click on the clear rules option and click on the clear rule from the selected cell. Just click on it and that's it. Here you can see the amount is unhide. Okay, so this is a way you can unhide also, and that's it. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.